Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are taking lipsticks that we have not used in long, God knows how long, and making it into something that we like. Guys, have you ever gone shopping, right, and tried on some lipstick shade and you really liked it, bought it, got home, tried it on again, and it was nothing like what you saw in the store? Like, I don't know if you literally were just too excited, you know, when you just get overexcited and you just brought it, or you were just not seeing correctly. I don't know, but I have had a lot of lipsticks collected over the years that I don't like I haven't used in God knows how long, and especially when it's MAC lipsticks, because they're not cheap and it hurts, like it really hurts to throw it away, and I needed to make it useful. So I thought maybe I can add them together, mix them together, and create something that I actually like. And that's basically what I'm doing in this video, guys. So this is what I made earlier. I've used a Makeup Forever pot, actually. You know when you get samples? Yeah, I used one of the sample pots, washed it out, and put in my new lipstick. And I really like it, guys. It's really easy to do, and I wish I did this earlier. Right at the end, I'm going to show you an application of that lip colour. It's actually what I'm wearing now, but I'll show you me putting it on. Before we proceed, I just want to say this makeup look's actually on my Instagram now. If you follow me, you know that I post makeup Instagram videos twice a week, so go on there and check it out. I put all the details. I put my Instagram in the description bar, and also if you like this video at the end, please make sure you follow, because I'm trying to get my subbies up, obviously, and I'd really appreciate it. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. Alright guys, so it's time to try out this lipstick that I did earlier. This is it right here, and the colour looks like this. Alright, I'm going to start off with putting on my favourite lip liner. This is Chestnut by MAC. If you watch my videos on YouTube, you'll see that this is literally all I wear. It's actually so cute. And voila! To be honest, I probably already have this colour, but I'm just happy I could take something that's been sitting in my makeup bag for so long and make it into something that I can actually use. One more thing, guys. I have been so infatuated with beauty marks and stuff, and I have been doing it so often, and I love this one on the lip. I've just added this one. Okay, that's a little bit big, but you know. We're gonna work with it. We're gonna keep it. Put one on my nose, like I'm going overboard clearly. Alright guys, that is all for me. I really appreciate you watching. Like I said at the beginning, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe. But that's it for today. We'll see you guys later.